This is a hard drive replacement on a CF-20. Start off by shutting off your computer if you've not done so already. Remove it from the keyboard dock if you're using one. There's just a release switch and then you pull up. I always put the tablet screen on a microfiber rag or cloth so it doesn't get damaged. Remove the back cover. Remove the battery. And then go ahead and remove the cover plate. There's a number of screws holding the cover plate in place. Just remove those screws and then you can lift the cover plate up. Once you have the cover plate out of the way, you can go ahead and move on to the hard drive. There's a small plastic cover over it that you just lift up. There's one screw holding it down. It's an M.2 SATA hard drive. Once you have the screw out, it pops up, you lift it out, and then you get your replacement, slide it in, make sure it's in firmly, and go ahead and put the screw back in, holding it in place. Go ahead and flip the cover back over for the hard drive. And then you can put your cover plate back on. And put the screws back in for the cover plate. Once those screws are in, you can go ahead and put your battery back in place. And then you can go ahead and put your back cover in place. You just line it up, push it down and up towards the top until you hear it click. And then you can put it back in your keyboard base if you're using it. Just line it up and then push it down until you hear it click and you see the release switch move. And then you're all done with your repair. If you have any questions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email of tech_support@bobjohnson.com.